This is Mr. Singhania. When you see him, you see a man leading a normal, happy life. But this is how he sees the world. He has been experiencing vision blurriness of late. He has got cataract. Due to his sight issues, his life has become dull too. He consulted his ophthalmologist to find a solution to his vision problem and see life normally again, like he used to. His doctor will need to remove his cataract-affected lens through surgery and replace it with a new intraocular lens or IOL that will help him see clearly. The type of IOL he chooses will define his quality of vision after surgery. Monofocal IOL, trifocal IOL, and continuous range of vision IOL. This is how his vision will get affected in each of the three alternatives. Monofocal IOLs will enable him to see distant objects clearly, but the objects will keep getting blurred as they come closer to him. Trifocal IOLs will let him focus on distance, intermediate and near objects, but the vision might be compromised at various points along the distance. Continuous range of vision IOL lets him focus on objects far through near across the distance. It helps him achieve clear vision irrespective of distance. But all this is during the day. What about his vision in low light conditions? With trifocal IOLs, he might experience visual symptoms such as low contrast and compromised sharpness. With continuous range of vision IOL, visual symptoms such as low contrast and blurred edges are significantly reduced. The continuous range of vision IOL also lets him see and understand near objects very clearly. With continuous range of vision IOL, Mr. Singhania is able to see clearly at every distance, in every light condition. When Mr. Singhania can see normally, he can live his life normally too. Your life isn't lived at one distance. Choose the continuous range of vision IOL that enables you to see at your ideal distances and delivers high-quality vision you can trust day and night.
Talk to your doctor to know more about continuous range of vision IOL.